Hey guys, Ghost here this time, back in my G37. I know last video we went to the junkyard and everything. We didn't find a wheel, unfortunately. But yeah, so I'm here to explain a feature of the Gs and many sports cars of this age. So as you know, automatic G37, you'll notice on some cars it'll have this plus and minus. That's Trip-Tronic. On very other special cars, I will show you this in this video. So mine has a sport mode that doesn't require you to shift as well. So I'm going to show you guys that and how to use it effectively and kind of explain why you want to use it. And it does actually, it does change your driving dynamic a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and turn on the car here. Love that sound, by the way. Love it. Also, we're about to hit 90,000 miles, so that's always nice. So first things first, whenever you want to engage Trip-Tronic, go ahead and go to drive, over, please drive sport, downshift, you're in first gear. Now, my tip for anyone who wants to do this is always, if you're looking, like these transmissions in Nissans especially, the automatics do not like higher RPMs for other reasons. Whenever I push mine to around 4 or 5, it starts kicking back, because the transmissions in this, of course, they're geared towards more economy driving, at least the Infinities are. The Zs are more geared towards racing, so their transmissions are going to be a little bit more fine-tuned for that. But as far as that, I can go, and it'll remind you also whenever the shift as well. It will not let you get into the red. It'll try to push you back to where trying to get you to shift at 3,000 to 4,000 RPMs. That's where I usually shift, because I enjoy having that so I can control my power of my car and everything. But besides that, yeah, so I think the next course of action would be to go up the street. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so we're back. I'm going to put it back into drive sport, the automatic. So whenever you go, you'll notice here that whenever I drive and you get up to here, then it'll expect you to shift. And if you don't, it'll kick back. So the tip is, it's really hard to do this with one hand. So I'm probably just going to put it back in automatic mode. But yeah, so that's basically how you do it whenever you're going. Of course, shift up and everything, and make sure that you do that, because they're also little, kill your transmission. One of the things that's really fun with this car is whenever you're slowing down, I always let it get to 2,000 RPMs and then 3, and my exhaust always pops, so it's nice. Probably not the best thing for the car, but it's not bad. But yeah, besides that, with these cars as well, you can also get paddle shifters. There's actually stuff in here. That's my next plan, is to get the paddle shifters for this guy. But yeah, so also it's very cold in here. I don't know, I have the AC on, but it's very cold in here. I just want to make a video because I didn't make one yesterday. I do apologize. I'm going to make another one today about another feature, and I do have plans to put a spoiler for this car as well, and a few other things. So if you're ready for that, make sure to tune in to Ghostly Cars. But I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys peace out. Goodbye.